morning. Today I, Prerit Jain of class 9th honor,
I am Raj R. Patel from class 9th honor.
are going to present a presentation on the topic ecosystem.
What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their physical environment. It encompasses both biotic and abiotic factors, forming complex networks of relationship and energy flows crucial for maintaining ecological balance and sustainability.
Three components of ecosystem: autotrophs, heterotrophs, and non-living matter. Autotrophs. They are the producers of energy. Plants make up the majority of the autotrophs in an ecosystem as they convert energy from the sun or other sources into food. Heterotrophs. They are the consumers of energy. These are organisms which depend directly or indirectly on autotrophs for their food. Most of the heterotrophs are animals. Non-living matter. It is the soil, sediments, leaf litter and other organic matter found on the ground or at the bottom of an aquatic system.
Human impact on ecosystem. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction have significantly altered ecosystems worldwide. These activities lead to loss of biodiversity, disruption of food web, habitat degradation, and climate change. Conservation efforts are essential to mitigate these impacts and preserve the health and functionality of ecosystem for future generations.
Biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms existing in a particular habitat or on Earth as a whole, encompassing diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystems. It includes genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity, playing a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and supporting ecosystem services.
Biotic and abiotic components. Biotic components of an ecosystem are living organisms including plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms which interact with each other and their environment. Abiotic factors are non-living components such as sunlight, temperature, water, soil, and nutrients, shaping the ecosystem's structure and influencing the distribution and abundance of biotic life.
Conclusion. In conclusion, ecosystems are intricate and dynamic systems where living organisms and their environments interact in complex ways. Understanding and preserving ecosystems are vital for sustaining life on Earth. Through conservation efforts, we can safeguard biodiversity, maintain ecosystem services, and ensure a healthier planet for current and future generations. Let us embrace our role as stewards of the environment, working together to protect and restore ecosystems for the benefit of all life. Thank you.